Last 200 years of heavy brainwashing, even Hindus have started believing something is wrong with Hinduism. I want the Hindus all over the world to know nothing is wrong with Hinduism. Hinduism is the greatest science. If at all we have a problems, it is because we did not practice Hinduism, not because we practiced Hinduism. So be unapologetically Hindu. Hinduism does not need reformers. It needs revivers. I am not a reformer. No, I am a reviver. In the name of reforming Hinduism, Hinduism has been attacked so much and Hindus are brainwashed. I am very clear. Hinduism needs revival, not reforming. I am here to revive Hinduism, not reform. Hinduism has so much to contribute to the world. Understand? We are minority literally in all nations all over the world. But in every country, whether it is United States of America or United Kingdom, Canada, Trinidad, Tobago, any nation, Australia, any country, Hindus are the richest ethnic minority. The reason is we are the most contributing civilization. Understand? Just Google top 100 CEOs of the world, top 100 contributing CEOs of the world. You will see more than 50 are from Hinduism. Just Google top 100 terrorists of the world. You will know from where terrorists are coming, from where contributing human beings are coming. Understand? Hinduism is the most contributing tradition. Every nation we go and settle down. Anywhere we settle down. Hindus area means lowest crime rate. Hindus area means the school will have very high standard. Hindus lowest divorce rate, most stable family, lowest drug abuse, lowest addiction, lowest hospitalization. In every level, what I am talking is fact-based, statistic-based statement, not some theories, philosophy. It's all fact-based, statistic-based. Hindus are the most contributing civilization. Hinduism needs to be kept alive to keep the humanity alive. Understand? Humanity, world needs Hinduism, and Hinduism needs Kailasa. Kailasa is created to revive Hinduism, not reform. I wanted to insist, I am not reformer. I am only a reviver. I will revive Hinduism as it was in the original scriptures, Vedas and Agamas. Fundamentally, Hinduism needs a seed bank, a place where everything can be kept alive and practiced without interference, external influence, brainwashing, diluting, without any of that. We need at least few lakh people who are unapologetically Hindus. We are the most peaceful tradition. That is the reason we need to be kept alive. We are the most peace-loving tradition. That is the reason we need to be kept alive. So, Kailasa is ready now with its own territory. The first batch of citizens have started moving to Kailasa. All the basic things needed are happening. The survival infrastructures are getting done. Now it is time Paramashiva will manifest superconscious breakthrough to humanity.